Hey, what's up, guys? This is Zahir from Tech Bazaar. Is a YouTube channel. In this channel, I always ready to share the computer related problems, knowledge, and from computer related problems on share. So, in this channel, I always ready to share you the computer related problem answer. So, today I'm ready for share you the one another video of that the problems, the Samsung, the phone related problem, the Wi-Fi issue problem. So the people who have some problem of Wi-Fi related, that Wi-Fi is not working, so how to fix it? So let's go. How to fix it? This is a you Samsung's my Galaxy Quattro phone. So just I'm telling you the Samsung, it is work this work on all the Samsung's model. So this is my screen. Just unlock that screen and go to the keypad lock where you have to dial the screen of button. Star has double zero double one, then again has. When you put on again has, this directly goes to the Samsung's screen. So I just putting on the again has because I not put the again has. If you just put the again has, it goes to the direct in this screen. So I just showing that star has double zero double one, then has and dial. Then you dial, then after that you come on the service mode from Samsung service mode option, where you have to just read this. And don't worry, you don't need to read it, this just go to the press on the menu button. uh, I just press on the menu button where you can find that the end back keep input select help and Wi-Fi. Just click on that Wi-Fi. I think definitely your Wi-Fi should be off, because if why that's why the Wi-Fi is not working. If Wi-Fi is on, that definitely your Wi-Fi is working. Sometimes if Wi-Fi is on also but it's not working, so you just click on that ping button. I just clicking on the Wi-Fi, so my Wi-Fi is off. So what we have to do, I just press button off, that it again on. Yeah, it's on. And we have to the ping test also. It's no need to the ping test. My Wi-Fi problem will have to solve. So just restart that button and just then my Wi-Fi problem will be solved. So hope friends, I think you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to give me thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your friends. I think your problem will be solved. Definitely your problem will be solved if you don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.